Guys, a golden grammar tip that's gonna help you with whatever type of Arabic you're learning. Listen carefully. After the word kam, we always go back to the singular. Kam means how much or how many. Now in English you would say like how many cars, right? Cars, plural in Arabic sayarat. It would make sense for us to say it like that with the plural, but the rule goes after kam, I go back to the singular form. So I say kam sayara عندك أو عندك. You have masculine, you have feminine. Okay? This is just how it is. Kam sayara, not sayarat. Sayarat is the plural. Another example. How many languages do you speak? Kam lugha بتحكي. Again, kam lugha بتحكي. Not kam lughat. Lughat is the plural. So not kam lughat. No. Kam lugha بتحكي. This is the rule. Remember, after kam, we go back to the singular. Last example, very, very common. How many times? Kam marra. I don't say marrat. Marrat is the plural. Notice, forming the plural in these instances is very easy. I'm just adding the at suffix, right? We had lugha, lughat, sayara, sayarat, marra, marrat. But after kam, try to just kind of memorize this rule. After kam, we go back to the singular. So kam marra. How many times? Kam marra. Okay? Let me know if you knew this rule before. Write a comment saying ba'raf if you know this. Ba'raf, I know. If you didn't know, write mumtaaz. Excellent. بشوفكم فيديو جاي. See you in the next video. If you like this video, make sure to check out the free mini course in the bio or description. See you there.